How to schedule your Instagram reels. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can schedule your Instagram reels. So guys, the first step I want you to be doing is to go ahead and switch your account to professional account. So if you have not done that, just click on where it says edit profile. When you click on edit profile, guys, it's going to be showing you switch to professional account here. As you can see, I've already switched. That's why it's not showing me here. For your case, if you have not yet switched, it's going to be showing here switch to professional account. So when you're done doing that, guys, just go ahead and click on the plus section showing below your screen. So when you click on that plus section, guys, let's switch to the reels section. So under your post, you're going to be seeing where it says post, story, and then click on reels. Let's go ahead and click on your reel videos. For example, this is my reel. Then let's just go ahead and edit it the way you want to and click on next. When you click on next, guys, you're done editing. Don't click on where it says share. Just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom part of your page and then click on where it says advanced settings. When you click on advanced settings, guys, click on where it says schedule this reel. So just go ahead and click on that and then go ahead and choose the date you want to schedule this reel and then click on done. Guys, you can do this as many times as possible. Go ahead and do this for as much posts as you want to. So this is how to schedule your reels on Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to please subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.